Hello guys, welcome back to my video. For this video, we will practice about the multiplication with bracket and negative number. So you can see now the expression become too harder than the other ones because inside the bracket you have coefficient of x is different to 1, so you have to work a little bit complicated about calculation, but I think you can understand one by one. Yeah, okay, so for each example we will work together, and of course you can stop video right now, work it by yourself, and then you play this video to watch my solution. Yeah, okay, so for the first example, and very carefully about your working out. For this video, it's very important about showing working out. This will help you understand more a lot when you're learning for complicated mathematics. For the first one, you got negative outside this bracket, so you will take -3 and multiply 2x. And how about -3 times with plus 3x in here? You can write out like this, -3 and times plus 3. So for the first term, you will have -6x because -3 times 2, you got -6. And for this one, they are different sides, so the result will be minus. And the number will be 9 because 9 times 3 times 3 be equal to 9. Next example, -4 times 4 and plus, oh no, this is not plus, this is -4 first. -4 times plus 2x plus 2x, the number with sign in front of that number. So this one will be -16 and this is -8x. Is that right? -4 times 2x, so -6x. This one, -5 times 3x and -5 times plus 6. So this is -15x and this is -30. This is -30. Okay, how about this one? -8 times 4x, yeah, times 4x, and -8 times plus 5, So for this one, you got 32x and -40, -32x minus 40. This is -8 times positive 5, so that's why you got this result. Okay, that is the first 4 example. Hope you can do it by yourself. Oh, the next one you will got for this. Yeah, okay, so let's practice. 4x -7 times -2. This is -2, not plus 2. This is -2. So the first term you got -28x and plus 14. Why you got plus 14? Because you got negative and negative. So here is plus 14. And 6, you got -2 times 6x, and then -2 will multiply -3. You can write out in this one. And for this term, you got -12x, and for this one, you got plus 6, minus times minus plus 6. For this one, -10 times 8x. Okay, so -10 times -5 like this. And then you got -80x, and then you got plus 50, yes. So -2 times 4x and -2 times -7. This first term will be -8x, and this one become to plus because you have 2 minus sign here. That's it. Okay, the next 4 question. Yeah, for these 4 questions, yeah, it's okay. A little bit harder for this one. Carefully about your writing. -4 times 6, and then -4 times -3x. -4 times 6, you got -24. -4 times -3, you got plus 12. 12 what? 12x. Plus 12x. Yeah, -4 times -3x, you got plus 12x like this. Okay, the next one you got -2 times 3 and -2 times -2x like this. So this is -6, and about this one you got plus 4x because -2 minus 2x minus minus is positive. So 4x here. Question 11. Minus 8 outside multiply 3 and then minus 8 times minus 4x like this. First term minus 24, very easy. And the next one, this positive 32x. Okay, for this one minus 10 times x and then minus 10 times minus 5x. First term you got minus 90 and plus 50x. Okay, and these are for final example. Question 13, very easy. All positive inside the bracket, right? Like this, minus 4 times 3. This is positive 3. Minus 12x and minus 12. For the next one, you got minus 2 times 4 and minus 2 times 2x is mean positive 2x. So this is minus 8 and this is minus 4x like this. Okay, so how about this one? Minus 6 2x and minus 6 times minus 2x. You will got minus 12x in here and plus 12 and plus 12. And the last one you got minus 8 times 4 minus 8 times minus 3x. So minus 32 plus 24x plus 24x. Yeah. So for this video we practice 16 examples. So I hope you can work it by yourself and very carefully about your working out. After this video we have a test. Yeah, finish that test with 100%. Thank you so much and see you next time.